how to change or edit gallery, pictures, file name on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, in your gallery homepage, open up a picture that you would like to change the name. Then tap on the More button at the top, and then tap on Details. In here, tap on the Edit button. In here, you can change the name of the file. So we can erase the old name, and then you can give it a new name. And then tap on Saved. And that's it. So that's how you can change your gallery pictures file's name. So let's see what other options that we have in here. So look like the only way we can edit the file's name is to go into the actual picture and then go into details. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.